Sir, I will shoot you. Yeah. You are gorgeous. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo. When I'm in the shower and I'm singing, it's kind of like, why haven't I made an album yet? Makeup can do some pretty powerful things. Go from looking like Ursula to freaking Cinderella in like 5 seconds. I hate Justin Bieber. When I use the microwave and I see the time on it, I time myself to see how long it'll take me to get everything ready before my food's done. NASCAR around the kitchen to get everything done in less than 10 seconds. I was having a staring contest with you. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I blinked. I blinked. I blinked. Start over. Never mind. You're pregnant. Why are you wearing heels? What are you trying to look cute for? I've always wanted to watch myself sneeze. One time, I was on the bus coming home from school and I sneezed and coughed at the exact same time. I didn't know which one to do first, so it made this ridiculous sound. I've watched CSI and Law and Order so many times that I could probably kill somebody and never get caught. I am 1000% sure that he is the father of my baby. Really? Oh, he is? Because I'm pretty sure you've slept with the entire street. He's black, and your baby has blonde hair and blue eyes. Reptar! I had a dream one time that had like an alien baby, and it came out, and the FBI was like, we have to confiscate your baby. I have some messed up dreams. I will shoot you in the face, sir. I remember when my heart broke, but I don't remember the rest of those words to that song. Tootie, do you want a scarf? Kitty cat. Hey, girl. So I was just wondering if I could borrow some tissue. Drum roll! Movie. Everybody add Tootie on Facebook. I'll put the link down there in the description.